whether it is a wire harness connector or a bare copper power supplies. The transmission line attachment for establishing a decomposition link in different types of transmission cables is called an insulated puncture clamp. It is made of resistant thermoplastic fibers and is reinforced with tin-plated copper to provide additional strength and protection. The insulated puncture clamp is composed of an insulating shell, a piercing blade, a waterproof rubber pad, a torque bolt. Cable and cap parts can be customized in different sizes for different applications. Insulation piercing clamps can be divided into regular insulated piercing clamps and insulated piercing clamps for testing and grounding, insulated piercing clamps for lighting, and insulated piercing clamps for fire prevention. The role is different, rigorous and meticulous. The insulated puncture clamp can be divided into different voltage categories of 1 kV, 10 kV, and 20 kV and applied in different fields. Its compact design allows all components to be fixed well, of resistant thermoplastic glass fiber durability, and withstand harsh conditions. The adjustable clamping force is suitable for cables of different diameters, and it is easy to install, easy installation, safe, and reliable maintenance-free features. Its low cost is a significant advantage.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.